As I grew up, I lost the only brother with whom I shared the same father. He died at around 14, by then I was 12. But my life changed when my mother died in 1992. That was when everything changed for me. That was when my eyes opened. That was when I began to understand the world. My brothers would sometimes, if we had an argument, they would sometimes tie me up. They would literally tie me up with cables, electric cables. And they would tie my hand to a pole and they would give me the beating of my life. These things continued to an extent in which I one day vowed to get myself out of this mess. And I then realized that the only way I'll get myself out of this mess was to fight back. That was when I began to train karate. I live in a very funny world. As a pastor, as a brother, as a teacher, as a dramatist, my day is always influenced by God. God is the most important influence in my life. But I'm not sure about myself most of the time. There are times when I have this inner conflict in me. There are times when all the desires in me want to show up, but I just simply think I have to suppress them. You see, my past has been a very tough one in which there is family conflict, one in which there is spiritual conflict. But now I am sure I know the path I take in life, a path that I know will please God, and a path that I know will enable me to live with my fellow men.